Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's been buzzing around lately. Have you ever wondered how to make money online using the power of artificial intelligence? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the world of AI and show you some incredible ways to leverage it to generate income. Selling any product is the easiest way to generate income. Today we will learn how to sell any product with the help of AI. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, we need a product. NutriProfits is one of the best and most trusted affiliate websites where you can earn a substantial income by promoting health-related products. I will put the link in description. To get started, simply sign up with your email account. Once you've successfully created your account, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Click on the offer button to access a wide range of products available. Consider focusing on conversion rates rather than commission rates when selecting your products. On average, a conversion rate of 6.72 can be considered good. Below is a list of countries where you can promote the products. Each country has its individual affiliate link, but for simplicity, I will choose one link to promote. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to ChatGPT. Since I have selected a weight loss supplement, I will ask ChatGPT for weight loss tips. ChatGPT generate a long article. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I will ask for a 200-word summary. Perfect. Now copy this article, as we will use it to create a weight loss tips video with the help of Pictory AI. As usual, I will provide the link in the description. First, create a trial account or log in to your Pictory AI account. Pictory AI offers multiple video maker options, and since we have a script for our video, we will select the script to video option. Okay, now paste your script here. We will make some changes to the script by adding a few lines at the beginning of the video to engage the viewers. For example, are you struggling with being overweight? Here are some tips to lose weight in just 7 days. Additionally, we will include a mention of our weight loss supplement as part of the script. I'll write "take supplement" and then copy the product description and paste it into the script box. Great! Our script is now ready. Click on Proceed. Next, you need to choose a template that best suits your project. Select a template that is relevant to your content and then choose the aspect ratio based on your target platform. For example, use 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts, and 1:1 for Instagram. I will select 16:9. Pictory AI will take some time to generate the visuals for your video. Once the storyboard and visuals are generated, review them and make any necessary changes. In Scene 11, where the supplement scene visual is irrelevant, click on the visual and search for a supplement. You will find a wide variety of footage to choose from. Select the best one for your video. The next scene looks perfect. In scene number 13, we will add the footage of our product. Go back to the NutriProfits website and download one of the product images provided for marketers. Then return to Pictory AI and click on Visual, followed by My Uploads. Simply drag and drop your downloaded image and select it. After that, click on Settings and turn on Visual Pan and Zoom to add an effect to your image. Our visual editing is complete. Now we need to generate the audio for our video. Don't worry, Pictory AI also offers a professional text-to-speech option. Just click on the Audio tab and select a voice model. You can also use your own voice if desired. For now, I will use the Pictory voiceover. Okay, our editing is complete, and it's time to download our video. To download the final product, click on Download here. It will take some time, so you can work on other tasks in the meantime. I'll fast forward the video. Finally, our video is ready. Just click on Download here. Let's play our video.
Do you suffering from overweight? Here are some tips to lose your weight in just 7 days. Set realistic goals. Establish achievable and realistic weight loss goals. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian to determine appropriate targets based on your health, lifestyle, and body composition. Adopt a balanced and nutritious diet. Focus on a well-rounded eating plan with nutrient-dense foods. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary beverages, and refined carbs. Control portion sizes. Take supplement. You can take supplement for quick result. Night Mega Burner is a multi-ingredient food supplement that supports fat reduction at night. Use of the product contributes to weight loss and increases the body's resistance to stress.
It looks really cool. Now we need to share this video with our customers. There are various video sharing platforms available, such as YouTube, Rumble, Dailymotion, and others. Today, we will upload this video to YouTube. Log into your YouTube account and click on the upload button. Simply drag and drop your video. Then go back to ChatGPT and ask for a title for your video. Perfect. Copy this title and paste it into the title box of your YouTube video. Next, ask ChatGPT for a description of your video. Copy the description and paste it into the description box. Now, we will add our product affiliate link to the description. To shorten the URL, use an URL shortener, as YouTube may not support certain URLs. Okay, now we need to create a catchy thumbnail for our video. If you're interested, I can make another video on how to create a catchy thumbnail with AI. Let me know in the comments section. Upload your thumbnail and add some tags. Then click on Next and publish your video as public. Finally, share your video on various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. And there you have it, incredible way to make money online using AI. The opportunities are limitless, and with the rapid advancement of AI technology, this is just the beginning. So, why not embrace the power of AI and embark on your online money-making journey today? If you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy AI-powered money-making!